What's up guys, it's Chris with Globus Gates. Yet another fantastic install just finished. So we did here this wonderful pedestrian gate for the entrance to the house with nice slim slats. It's mostly not about the privacy because in front of the house you cannot actually go super tall on the height in most of the areas of the city. So we did a nice 42-inch pedestrian gate as an entrance in between two block walls. So it's like a nice clean entrance. And then we actually did matching design railing, which is completely up to code, 42 inches, super safe. So even if you have kids coming over for the Halloween party or something like that, everything is nice and safe for them. Also in this job, we did a nice full privacy side gates, 6 feet tall. Why is the design different? Because for the backyard, you mostly want your privacy. So here we did a double swing gate. This side is specifically a little bit bigger in the size. So most of the time you can use normal size gate. And then the right side, I should say, is a little bit wider, just in case you want to bring some large furniture or you still want to put the car through, it is possible to do. On the other side, actually, we're going to show you right now is another aluminum gate, 100% aluminum, rust-free, maintenance-free, high-quality material. We actually guarantee that our aluminum on the market is the thickest aluminum you can find among all the gate companies. And we guarantee the best price for the material as well. So check it out. Let me show you the other side, and then we'll talk about how you can get your gates done the right way, the USA way with Globus. So this is the other side of this project. As you can see, we have a matching design side gate with the other side of the house, full privacy as well, 100% aluminum, no rust, no maintenance like I mentioned. We left this meter outside on purpose so the meter guy don't have to disturb you all the time, knock on your doorbell. It's pretty much accessible from the street. But here we have nice mechanical keypads. By the way, we can do any locks you like, which is including digital keypads, mechanical keypads, you name it. Because our frames are very nice. They're manufactured in the way so any lock, US made, European made, is gonna fit in your door. We take time and consideration when picking the design with you and make sure the overall design of the house matches with your side gates, which gives you nice security on the side of the house. 6 feet tall, like I said. It's pretty solid actually. You can see this aluminum we do. Anyways, in Globus, we do the job the right way. You can check it out for yourself. Go to our Instagram page, see some other videos of the jobs, or you can actually go to our showroom location, which is located in North Hills. It's close by Van Nuys, and check it out for yourself. Globus Gates.